Hey guys, this is Yamaha DTX 402. How to change the sound so that it's generated from a VST software from your PC instead of the built-in one. I will guide you step by step on two things, which are setting up the VST software and to turn off the built-in sound from the drum. Also, I assume you have already installed some VST software to generate drum sound, as well as your DAW or digital audio workstation of choice. Also, you must plug in a USB cable from your drum to PC, and you have a jack connected from the drum to the external speaker. Okay, first on your PC, you need to install the DTX 400 series USB driver. You can Google it like so. This makes sure that the USB audio driver for the drum on your PC will be installed. Here you can select the latest driver for your operating system. In my case, I have Windows 11, so you can also install the Windows 10 one. And most of the PC nowadays is on 64 bits, so I'll just download this one right here. Okay, and then we will extract these. Alright, so this is the setup. Alright, you can set up the USB driver. So once you're done with the installation, let's head over to Reaper or any DAW software that you have, digital audio workstation. Right, so how do you load the drum VST on Reaper? So after plugging in the USB port to your computer, then on Reaper, you need to insert new track, and then here under the FX, we are going to add the sound effect, which is the VST in our case. What I have is SampleTank from IK Multimedia. This one also has drum sounds, which is quite nice. Alright, so we are going to load the drum sound. So you can use any drum VST software on Reaper to create a nicer sound for your DTX drum. So in my case, because I have bought this on promotion last time, so it has a lot of sounds in here. So I'll just demo one of it. So maybe we are looking for rock drum. Okay, so I'm going to load this one. Okay, now it generates some sounds already. Now what we are going to do is we check the output device and the MIDI device to make sure that the drum is routing the MIDI input to the PC, and then we are routing back the audio output to the DTX drum. From the options under preferences, we're going to check our MIDI inputs. We are making sure that the DTX drum is on in here, so we are just clicking on the input part here, and then make sure it is not shown as not present or not found. Next is audio device. Under audio and then device, you're going to check whether it is connected to your DTX drum. Okay, so under ASIO, you can select Yamaha Steinberg USB ASIO, and then for the output will be sent to the DTX drums. So just select everything to be DTX drums and then press OK. After that, you need to press record engage button, so the red button here. Now one last thing on Reaper, we need to route the MIDI so that it correctly sends the signal to the SampleTank. We are going to select input is coming from MIDI. You can select all MIDI inputs or also the DTX drum directly. And then the source channel, we are going to collect the MIDI input from all channels from the DTX drum, because I'm not so sure also from which channel does the sound come from, but you can check the manual for that. So just to make it easy, select all channel and then map input to channel. This means that the DTX input channel will be mapped to which channel in our SampleTank. So let's select channel 1, and I'll explain why. Because here on SampleTank, I make the drum as channel 1 in here. So you need to make sure the routing is correct. The input from the DTX will be routed to channel 1, and where is channel 1 is the channel 1 of my SampleTank here. So now let's head over to our DTX drum for testing. So at first, what you will be hearing is double sound, which means the built-in sound is also generating the drum sound and also the VST software. So how to turn off the built-in sound on DTX 402? Any Yamaha DTX drum models will come with this feature to turn off the local control. Just Google that for your DTX model. For DTX 402, number 1, hold down the mode switch until it begins to flash. Next, press number 3, which means MIDI settings. Then next, press number 1, which means local control setting. Local control means the built-in drum sound. Press tempo minus to set the local control to off, and plus later on if you want to revert back to on. Next, just press mode to save and exit. And there you go. Now the built-in drum sound has been turned off. You can check by changing the drum kit to anything, and the DTX drum won't generate any sounds, but what we are hearing here is the one generated from the VST drum software. So that's all. Thank you guys. Subscribe.